Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install Statue of Liberty MLO script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. After that, you have to click on the media file link. Then click on download to download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. The Statue of Liberty MLO is over there, as you can see. So this is the Statue of Liberty which we just installed into our FiveM server, as you can see over here. So this is the small island where the Statue of Liberty present, as you can see over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.